Good afternoon, students. This is Madan. So, mathematics department from KKR Gautam School. Now, present your maths teacher. So, what is the screening syllabus? Screening syllabus both total two topics. So, first one is real numbers. Second one is square roots. So first chapter is real number and second one is square root. So already some part completed, I think. So I will start again from starting. So first we have to discuss real numbers. So first we have to discuss in real number. What is the subtopics? Okay, first we have to learn what is the digits. Digits. What are the digits? From 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 are called digits. 0, 1, 2, 3 means single digits. Okay, 0 to 9 are called digits. Every number is formed by these digits only. So if you take as 54, 5 and 4 both are digits only. So if you take any number, the number is formed by digits only digits. Okay, 729, 7 to 9 digits. This is a number formed by 3 digits. This is 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. Okay, so like that is a number. So what are the natural numbers? What are the natural numbers? So in our class, total how many students are there? If you are asking anybody, so you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Or how many benches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in school, in a class, asking like that questions, everyone is start from 1 only. So that's why the counting numbers are called natural numbers. What is the definition? Natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n. So natural number starting letter n is there. So that's why it is denoted by n. So the counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n. So set of natural numbers, n is equal to set of natural numbers. Starting letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, so on. Okay, so this is set of natural numbers. In natural numbers denoted by n, the least natural number is 1. What is the least natural number? 1 only. What is the greatest natural numbers? We can't say, not exist. Okay, we cannot define it. So greatest natural number is we can't say. Okay, not exist like that. Anyone you say. Okay, so smallest natural number is 1. Greatest natural number is not exist. Okay, this is natural numbers. So all natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. These all are natural numbers. These all natural numbers together with 0 are included with 0. The set of all natural numbers together with 0, they are called whole numbers. The set of all natural numbers together with 0. The set of all natural numbers together with 0, they are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. So set of whole numbers, all natural numbers together with 0. So included 0. Okay, all natural numbers, set of all natural numbers together with 0, they are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. So W is equal to set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 like that. Okay, so whole numbers are denoted by W and least whole number is 0. 0 is the least whole number. So what is the greatest whole number? Greatest whole number not exist. Okay, so 0 is the least whole number. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Okay, so this is whole numbers. So next one is integers. Integers. Okay, so what are the integers? The set of all whole numbers together with a negative sign of natural numbers. the set of all whole numbers together with the negative sign of natural numbers, they are called integers. All whole numbers and together with or included with negative sign of natural numbers. Negative sign of natural numbers means like this: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. So negative sign of natural numbers are called integers. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. This is whole numbers. So negative sign of natural numbers means -1, -2, -3, -4, like this one. So this is negative sign of natural numbers. These are whole numbers. So the set of all whole numbers together with negative sign of natural numbers, they are called integers. This is integers. It is denoted by I or Z. Okay. So I is starting letter is I. Z means Zehlan. The word Zehlan. What is the meaning of Zehlan? To count. To count. So that's why Zehlan starting letter is Z. So that's why integers are denoted by I or Z. The set of integers. The set of integers Z is equal to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, like that. Z is equal to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, so on. So this is integers. Okay. So all, the set of all whole numbers together with negative sign of natural numbers, they are called integers. Now observe, the integers are denoted by I or Z. Okay. So we get a set of integers. Now observe here, positive integers. What are the positive integers? Only positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are positive integer. Positive integer means none other than natural numbers. This is also called positive integers, is also called natural numbers. What is negative integers? Negative integers, only negative. So -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, this is negative integers. Next one, non-zero integers. Non-zero integers. Non-zero integers means except to 0. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Don't take 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So these are non-zero integers. Except to 0, all integers are non-zero integers. Non-zero integers. Next one, non-positive integers. Positive integers, negative integers, non-zero integers means except to 0. Next one, non-positive integers. Non-positive integers. Non-positive integers. Non-positive integers means not a positive. Not a positive means negative. 0, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. So -1, -3, all are negative. Negative means non-positive. A negative means non-positive. 0, that is not a positive, that is not a negative. Okay, neither positive nor negative. So that's why. So non-positive integers. Non-positive integers 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Okay. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means 0, non-negative, negative, not a negative means positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means like that. These are whole numbers. These are whole numbers. Non-negative integers is also called whole numbers. Okay. So non-positive integers, non-negative integers. Okay. So what is the least integer? Least integer does not exist. We cannot find least integer and greatest integer. We cannot find. We cannot define. So every integer is always represented on a number line. So represent integers on a number line means first we have to draw one number line. So draw a line. Okay. So in this line first we have to mark one point. That point is represented with a 0. Okay. So right side of 0 is taken as positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So left side of 0 is taken as negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. Okay, this is here integers. Integers are represented on a number line. So distance between any consecutive integers is always same. Distance between any consecutive integers, continuous integers, always equal only. Distance between any consecutive integers, the distance is always equal. So this is integers represent on number line. So already I think you know it, additions, subtraction on number line. Okay.